This was the funny Chicago Bears Stop Hammer Time shirt year ago, knee-deep in snow and a real challenge to get our orders out to our customers. Then the trick is to relate those quotes with your real-life situation and then connect it with the person to whom you are gifting it. 3. On this Christmas, I hope that Santa brings happiness, good health, and peace in your life. This will not only occupy a good space in the cards but also make your card worth reading and express the essence of Christmas Day. I would say all I want for Christmas is you, but I really would love a new credit card as well. What better way to hang all those beautiful Christmas trinkets which can be seen from the outside as well? Sending lots of love to your family, and looking forward to the day we can see you again, with it right around the corner. Funny Chicago Bears Stop Hammer Time shirt, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt and hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt, and as a Supremes album. It's one funny Chicago Bears Stop Hammer Time shirts of the few that's other products.